Experiencing issues with your Windows 10 taskbar, search not showing results? In this video, I will show you several effective methods to troubleshoot and resolve this common problem, ensuring your search bar works seamlessly again. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into our first method, which involves disabling Bing search directly from the registry. This might sound a bit technical, but I'll guide you through each step, so it's really straightforward. First up, you're going to open your registry editor. Simply press Windows+ on your keyboard, and when the Run dialog box pops up, type in regedit and hit Enter. This will bring up the registry editor. Now, you need to navigate to the specific registry path where we can make the change. So follow this path, go to HKY_current_user, then Software, followed by Microsoft, then Windows, and after that current version, and finally click on Search. Once you're there, right-click in a blank area on the right side, select New, and then choose DWord 32-bit value. Name this new DWord as Bing Search Enabled. After you've created it, double-click on it and change the value data to 0. That's all. This should disable Bing search in your Windows search functionality and might just resolve the issues you've been experiencing with the taskbar search not working. Moving on to the second method for fixing the taskbar search, we're going to look at how you might need to uninstall recent Windows updates. Sometimes these updates can interfere with how things work on your PC, including the search function. To do this, first, you need to open your Windows settings. You can get there quickly by clicking on the gear icon in your Start menu, or you can press Windows+I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, go to Update and Security, and then click on View Update History. Here you'll see all the updates that have been installed recently. Look for the option that says Uninstall Updates at the top of the page and click on it. This will show you a list of updates with their installation dates. Find the ones that were installed right before your search issues began and select them for uninstallation. Make sure you check that they're completely removed by restarting your PC and going back to check that they don't appear in the update history anymore. This could very well clear up your search problems if a recent update was the culprit. Let's dive into the third method, which is all about restarting the Windows search service to get your search bar back on track. First, you need to open the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard. Once you're in the Task Manager, click on the Services tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the services running on your computer. You need to locate the service named WSearch. Right-click on WSearch and choose Restart if it's running. If it's not running, you'll want to start it by right-clicking and selecting Start. Also, to make sure this service automatically runs every time you start your computer, right-click on it again, select Properties, set the startup type to Automatic, and then click OK. This ensures that your Windows search service is always ready to go whenever you need it, potentially fixing any ongoing issues with the taskbar search functionality. Moving on to our fourth method, we're going to rebuild the search index, which is another great way to fix issues with the taskbar search not working as expected. To start, you need to open the Control Panel. You can do this by typing Control Panel in the search bar, assuming it responds, or by pressing Windows+R and typing Control, then hitting Enter. Once you're in the Control Panel, switch the view to large icons at the top right corner, and then find and click on Indexing Options. In the Indexing Options window, click on Advanced. You'll see a button that says Rebuild, which you should click on. This will start the process of rebuilding the entire search index from scratch. It might take a while, depending on how many files you have and the speed of your PC. But once it's done, it could resolve any stubborn issues with your search functionality. Next up, our fifth method involves restarting the CTF loader to fix any keyboard input issues you might be experiencing with the search bar. To do this, you'll need to access the kfmin.exe file, which is part of the Windows system that handles input methods. Start by pressing Windows+R to open the Run dialog box. In that box, type C //Windows/system32 //kfmin.exe and press Enter. This action will run the CTF loader. After running it, try typing in the search bar again to see if the issue is resolved. This method is particularly useful if you find that the search bar isn't responding to your keyboard inputs, as it can help reset and restore the functionality needed for typing within the search feature. That's it for this video on how to fix the Windows 10 taskbar search not working. I hope these troubleshooting methods help you get your search functionality back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Have any questions, or did one of these methods work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences and feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.